get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guy, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright.
Winter stuff are already out. Just reminds me that the cold weather is fast approaching.
Take you there, like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Let's go to the cashier.
Can I take you there?
Coconut fat.
Coconut.
Put it on. We're going to try dragon fruit. Oh yeah, no. Here it is.
He's a dragon.
We're getting one because they say it tastes good, but I don't know. People taste good and mine taste good. A different taste good. And I would recommend more, but my battery is about to die because I did not charge up. So that is our Saturday, and after this we'll go. So we went to eat first. We went had some lunch, and then now we're eat. And then after, watch this wild bee. Why are they so tiny?
I don't know.
Baby boo pumpkin.
This one looks like a watermelon.
Put it back in the different things that we not eat.
Mommy, this one looks like a watermelon.
Put it back and come on.
It looks like a watermelon.
Okay. Anyway, got ready. So later. What day is today? sure? Yeah? Okay. Happy Sunday. Tell them about the
Morning floor.
feeling what you have to move like. Feel good, it feels soft and ripe. There you go. We'll see.
Ooh, it's actually seasoning.
Yeah, it does.
Looks so good.
That's where it stops. You can. Oh, you can. Get me a dish, please.
A dish?
Yeah.
You can what, Mommy?
I can just peel it off.
Wow, that's impressive. I can't reach the dish.
Okay, that's fine. Come here. Right, Reid. Whoop. Come. What do you think? No, you don't like it? You take long fast. I'm gonna believe you.
Mommy.
Is it? Hold on. I don't know. It tastes okay. Maybe the pink one has a different taste. But I like it. It has the potential to taste good, if that makes sense. Babe, come.
Oh, it's a big candle. You like it?
It is okay. It does have a taste. The more you eat it, the more it feels like it has the potential to taste good. Maybe if it was sweeter. Maybe this one just isn't sweet. It has like a spongy vibe. One more.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Here.
What?
I don't know. Maybe I'll try again. How do I know if you know the ones that are red? How do you know if the inside red or not? That might be a good one to try.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you,
They're everywhere.
I would.
Say die.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know.
For me, the dragon fruit.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget.
Go on in front right now. I'm not. Go. Go on. If I want to take a picture, I take it for Papi Show. Stop be a man. That's very mannish. And not in a very attractive way. True, you're a man enough to take a nice picture? Wait. Turn around so I can take your picture, sir. You look nice enough. Don't put your hand back, Mike. Give me one good picture before you put it on the back. That means you can't give me a nice picture? Fix your face. Come closer. Not wear backwards. And back off a little. Thank you. And fix your eyes. Your face scrunch up. Relax your face. I do it all the time. I do it all the time. Take pictures when I can't see. I know, but alright. So I'm trying to get him to take pictures. And this is the results. I'm going like bees. Anyway. I'm not hot, but I'm wearing this thing because some little sandfly something bite me up. But I want to take another picture of them, babe. Tibbs is at a birthday party and we're passing the time. Come now. Turn on something and set it and come. So go. Okay folks, so this is the end of today's vlog, this week's vlog. I go back into the car. I'm gonna feel good and things are bite. And it's not cool enough for this thing that I'm wearing. But I'm wearing because things are bite. So we will see you all next week.